working all my life, you know. Only God knows, only God knows, only God knows.
Hey loves, in today's video I will be getting to this, like, what is this, a bird's nest on my head, right? But what I wanted to say was my hair has been braided down for 2 months. I've been wearing a U-part wig, and so now it's time to get something done to it, and so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm about to take this down. I'm going to show you step by step. I'm also going to do a favorites video, but you'll see a lot of those in this video. But if you are interested in how we maintain gorgeous hair, even though we wear sew-ins, U-part sew-ins, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, leave me a comment. Let's get into this video. I've been wearing U-part for 2 months, and so it's time to get something done to it. And that's why we're here, because we have something to do to our hair, because we've been just headbanding it. And we want to see where we are, our growth. And yeah, that's why we're here. I missed you guys so much, so thank you so much for coming back. First, we're gonna find a thread that we think is what's keeping our hair together. Just cut 1 or 2, not too much, just 1 or 2 threads, because it can't be that many. I think she left me with 1 plait, so I'm gonna do that. The process of taking down any hairstyle, whether it be plaits or sew-in, is to be patient. Do it when you're in a good mood, of course. I've said that hundreds of times on my channel. And just be gentle with your hair. I do love going to the salon and getting my hair done, but sometimes my hair is a little disgusting, and so I rather do it myself because I don't want to impose that onto anyone. And not only that, it's just I don't want to lose any excess hair. And I do notice that sometimes they're not as gentle as I would want them to be with my hair and my scalp. And so I don't mind doing it myself. And if anything, I have growing hands. So we're going to start with a pre-shampoo. This is mandatory when taking down any hairstyle, meaning braids, plaits, anything that's been in your hair a good minute. If it's even 2 weeks of a ponytail, use a pre-poo to detangle your hair, because when I tell you it's going to make the job that much easier, it's going to make the job that much easier. So I'm going to start by sectioning my hair off and just saturating my dry hair. I don't add any water to my hair because I have enough product that will saturate my hair. I'm going to finish off a container that my daughter used, and then I'm going to go in with a new container and again saturate my hair without using any water to drench it, because I want the product to get into my hair so that it is just easier to detangle. And this process may be the only process that matters throughout this whole process, because once your hair is detangled, the washing process is easy, and moving forward, you definitely would need to deep condition afterwards. But let's just stay here. With just saturating this one section, my hair was detangling with a breeze. Like, I didn't have to use force. I didn't have to hold onto one portion of the hair to comb it out. It was just detangling with no problem. And I seen tons of growth just by, detangling and combing my hair here. My hair has grown, it's gotten thicker, and I just love it. But the shrinkage is so real, but even with the shrinkage, it's at a very good length. But this product right here, I highly recommend. And anything that you see me use in any of my videos will be linked in my Amazon storefront. But here I'm just showing you the shrinkage, which I'm okay with, because even where my hair is, when it does shrink, I'm okay with that length if I just wanted to wear my hair curly. So I'm satisfied with where I'm at in my growth process. But again, I don't wear my hair out that much, but I just like to see that my hair is still holding and healthy after my sew-ins, because I'm doing it right. I'm taking my time, like I said. I'm detangling it section by section. I'm saturating the hair. Once you are done tangling whichever section, you should be able to comb your hair from root to end.
Rewatch. I just wanted to come and see you. Reconnect with a sing-along video.
With no problem. And this is why this product is so necessary, because believe it or not, without it, this was why so many people's hair is breaking off and they're having so much damage, is because you're detangling your hair with the wrong product. You can make your own pre-poo with aloe, coconut water. That's what's the ingredients in this one, but we don't have time for that. And this just makes my life so much easier and has helped me and my daughter maintain healthy hair. Patience is key, and using a wide tooth comb is the best option if you have coily hair. I do section my hair off so I can get into give each portion of my hair the needed attention that is necessary. And when I'm done detangling, I'm going to follow up with a scalp scrub. I even use the wide tooth comb ends because they are rounded to give myself a massage before taking out the pre-poo. In this video, I just wanted to focus on detangling hair because it is the most important part of starting your wash day, especially if you're doing a takedown from a sew-in, plaits, whatever protective or hairstyle you have left your hair to. You would need to come back in with a serious maintenance, but first you want to be gentle on your natural hair to begin with. And that's why I'm structuring these videos this way. In the next video, I'll give you all the products that I use in detail, from the shampoo, scalp scrub shampoo, shampoo, conditioner, deep conditioner, hair color, and how I maintain my hair. I'll also be doing a silk press to come. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we are done with the detangling process. And I actually love my hair because my hair is so tea, the length, everything. And heat damage where I don't press my hair that much. I'm actually anti-press, but my curls are still intact and I love my hair. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Toodles.